Exact value of trigonometric expressions. I'm Anil Kumar, and let us now find exact value of sine 45 cos 60 divided by tan 30 plus cos 45. So as in all the videos, I start with making the special triangles, and we have 45 90 45 and 30 60 90 triangles before us. So let me write down the values first. They actually help us to find the solution. Whenever you're working with special or exact values, always sketch the special triangles. It helps to find the values quickly. So the question here is sine 45. Sine 45 is what? So let me write down sine 45 will be, this is 60 and that one is 30 degrees. Sine 45 will be opposite over hypotenuse, so it is 1 over square root 2. So let me write this as 1 over square root 2 times cos of 60. Cos of 60 is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 1 over 2, right? Let me also write SOHCAHTOA over here so that it helps you. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is opposite over adjacent. Divided by tan of 30. Tan of 30 opposite over adjacent, so 1 over square root 3. Plus cos of 45. Cos of 45 will be adjacent over hypotenuse, so 1 over square root 2. So this could be now written as, in this case when you multiply you get 1 over 2 square root 2, right? And here when you add, you have to take common denominator. The common denominator will be square root 2 times square root 3, which is square root of 6. And on this side you get square root of 2 plus square root of 3. Is that okay? Now we can write this as 1 over 2 square root 2 times square root 6 can be written on the top over square root 2 plus square root 3, right? Now this could be simplified. Square root 6 can be divided by square root of 2. So you basically get square root of 3 on the top, dividing square root of 6 by 2, divided by 2 times within brackets square root of 2 plus square root of 3. So that is your answer. But at times you may be required to rationalize it, right? So some students may not be doing it, but let me rationalize and show you the answer after simplifying. So this is square root of 3 over 2 within bracket square root 2 plus square root 3. Rationalizing means multiply and divide by conjugate of this term, which is square root 2 minus square root 3. So divide by square root 2 minus square root 3. So once you do that, in the numerator you get square root 3 times these terms. So let me write it first as such, and then we will expand. And in the denominator, so when you multiply it, you get a square minus b square. So 2 times 2 minus 3. Do you see that? In the numerator, if I expand, I get square root 6 minus 3 divided by 2 times 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Is it okay? So now, since it is minus 1, I can flip this position. 3 minus square root 6 divided by 2. So that is our answer, right? So some students may stop here, but truly speaking, that is the answer for the given expression, right? So you should actually rationalize and then write down the answer. I hope that helps. Thank you.